Hey boo, it's yoga. I was here. I don't know why I did that. Let's get it. But anyways, up to today. Oh my god, I hate it. But I think I'm gonna be a teacher. Since I don't know anything about life. Of course you could be related. Because I've already done this before. I want to be a teacher again. It's fun, I guess. But stuff, I'm just so smart. Call an HR. What is the most important role of a teacher? This is the one you want. If this is being rude, I'm so smart. To educate the kids and make sure the kids are getting as much as possible to get. Oh my god. Yell at them to stop. You don't do that. What about the? Separate. If you need help with this, just copy me. I don't. Oh. Please wait until this. Okay. So today, now we're gonna be a teacher. Oh God, let's see where that takes us. Test to a new wonderland. Oh mischief. Are you a teacher? Yes, I am. I am a teacher now. Come on, honey, I'll take you today. What did I just do? Laughing and dashing. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing right there. Hey there, buddy. Welcome to Live. I think I know what I'm gonna be calling myself. I'm gonna be calling myself Miss No. Oh my God. Lord. I'm trying to make sure that this right here, that doesn't get me copyrighted. Anyways, whoever needs a teacher, I can be your teacher. Whoever needs it. Oh my God, it's a second. We have the nest. I gotta go, everyone. Bye. 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 Okay. I'll be your teacher. My name's Miss Snow. Of course it should have been reindeer. You don't get my joke. Get the joke? Can I assist you, Bishop? Of course. I aftercare. All aftercare line up. No problem. Yeah, I'm here for it too. Okay. Follow me then. Okay, follow me then. I want some kids in my class. will be learning lots. Miss Snow? Yes? Yes. That used to be my name. Can I be in class? Sure. Is it because I'm a reindeer? Am I getting all the cool kids? Am I cool? Let's go. Calf. Oh, it's so cute. Let's do reading first. If you need a teacher, go to math. Reading board. Hello, class. We will be reading about Christmas. Willow. Oh. Class, today we will be reading up Desialacha not behaving. Or not behaving. Not behaving. Oh dear. Miss that sunshine. Miss Sunshine, may you help me? May you help me with this student? Takes out my notepad and starts to draw some scribbles. Sure. Let's see what's her word name. He's not behaving. Okay, she only has one word. Are you in physical pain? Ow, it hurt bad. Just a Christmas tree. Oh, that's so cute. Today we will be learning about, well, not learning, but reading. Miss Cheer. Nipples that covers mouth plus cough. Where did my other student go? Okay. Now, who can... Miss Cheer. Now, who can tell me what about Christmas cheer? Needs. Raise his hand. Yes. Willow? Yes, Willow? Y-A-C-A. I'm a reindeer. I know this will be a long video, and I'm sorry about that, but I'm just trying to be famous. I'm just kidding. or daycare. Well, that's a lie. A nurse in the nurse's office, please. Shall we turn on the music? Oh my. Do you mind if I tell your class about the importance of getting their flu shot and I can get them? Of course. Correct. Where did my assistant go? Oh, there she is. Hello, class. My name is Mrs. December. I'm gonna end this video right here, y'all.